In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to Telegram channel. By the end, your channel posts will have a simple leave a comment button so your audience can respond in a clean, organized thread. Quick heads up before we start. You need to be the channel owner or an admin with permission to manage the channel. Comments on Telegram are powered by a linked discussion group, and that's exactly what we're setting up. First, open your Telegram channel. Make sure you are inside the channel you want to update. Not just your chat list. This works on both mobile and desktop, and the flow is very similar, no matter which platform you are using. Next, tap on the channel name or header at the top to open the channel's profile page. This page is where all the behind-the-scenes controls live, including members, notifications, and the settings we're about to use. If it doesn't open on the first try, tap the header again to ensure you are on the full profile view. Now, click Manage. Depending on your device, it may appear as Manage Channel, or it might be inside a menu icon with 3 dots. You are looking for the management controls that let you adjust how the channel functions. From there, select Discussion. This is the feature that connects your channel to a group where comments are stored and displayed. Telegram uses that group to host threaded conversations attached to each post in your channel. You'll see 2 choices. Tap Create a new group to make a fresh linked group for comments, or select an existing group you own. Creating a new group is great if you want a dedicated focused space for your audience. Choosing an existing group works if you already have an active community and want to funnel post comments there. Keep in mind, you must own the group you link. You can't attach someone else's group. You can adjust the group's name, rules, and moderation settings later without breaking the link. Once the group is linked, all new posts will have a leave a comment button automatically added beneath them. When viewers tap that, they'll be taken to the discussion thread inside the linked group, and their replies will show up as a tidy comment thread connected to your post. Because the conversation lives in the group, your existing admin tools and moderation flow apply there, making it easy to keep discussions on topic and respectful. That's it. Thanks for watching.